So day one of the reno is demo. Still got the couch there, but it's on Marketplace and had people saying they're going to come and get it, so let's hope it's gone in the next couple of hours. So coming through here, that was fairly clear already, but we're just starting to really get rid of some stuff and clear the place out. Got rid of all the excess furniture now, or most of it. The fridge is still there. The bar's gone. Didn't take long. Oh, it's almost gone. Once those bricks at the base are gone, then we'll be able to actually see a clear room, making that room so much bigger without that bar area there. This fridge luckily is on, because the one that was outside wasn't on, and it was full of chicken and it was absolutely disgusting. So we're getting rid of most of the stuff in here now. Got rid of the old mattress. One of the jobs today will be lifting up these laundry and toilet floor tiles. Made a good start on the bathroom. Fair bit of demo done in there already. And most of the stuff is gone from here as well. So we're starting to be able to see and hear, or not hear, but see a bit of space around. Spent the morning taking photos of a whole heap of stuff that was in the garage, trying to get rid of it on Marketplace. We've already filled one 4 cubic metre skip. We're filling the other one with rubble. So yeah, not taking long to fill up the skip bins, that's for sure. Okay, until next time.